Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing something a lot of people struggle with: how to speak to a real person at YouTube TV. It can be frustrating navigating automated menus and endless help pages when you just want a simple answer or need to troubleshoot a specific issue. But don't worry, there are ways to connect with a human representative, and we're going to walk you through them. In this video, we'll cover why it's tricky to reach YouTube TV support directly. The best methods for contacting a live person, including using chat and potentially phone support. Tips for getting your issue resolved quickly once you get connected. So stick around, and hopefully, this will save you some time and frustration. And while you're here, if you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on all things streaming. Okay, let's get started. First off, it's important to understand why contacting YouTube TV support isn't always straightforward. Google, in general, prefers to handle support through its online help resources. This allows them to scale their support operations and address common issues efficiently. However, this means finding that human connection can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. The primary method for reaching YouTube TV support is through their online help center. To get there, simply go to tv.youtube.com. Look for the Help section, usually located at the bottom of the page. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a comprehensive support portal. Now, here's where things get interesting. From the Help Center, you'll initially be directed to articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. These are great for common problems, but if you need more personalized assistance, you'll need to dig a little deeper. Look for the Contact Us or Get Support option. It might be hidden or located in a less prominent area. Once you find it, click on it. This is where you'll likely encounter the chat option. YouTube TV typically offers a live chat feature for subscribers. This is often the easiest and quickest way to connect with a representative. To initiate a chat, you'll usually need to briefly describe your issue. Be as specific as possible in your initial message. This helps the support agent understand your problem quickly and provide the most relevant assistance. When chatting with a representative, be polite and patient. Remember, they are there to help you. Clearly explain your problem, providing as much detail as possible. Include any error messages you've encountered, steps you've already taken to troubleshoot the issue, and your account information, if requested securely. While phone support isn't always readily advertised, it might become an option after you initiate a chat conversation. If the chat agent is unable to resolve your issue through text, they may escalate it to phone support. This usually involves them scheduling a call back at a convenient time for you. Remember to always be polite and respectful, even if you're frustrated. Support agents are more likely to go the extra mile for customers who are courteous and understanding. Before contacting support, try to gather as much information about your issue as possible. This includes your account details, the device you're using, the error messages you're seeing, and the steps you've already taken to troubleshoot the problem. The more information you provide, the faster the support agent will be able to assist you. Another thing to consider is checking the YouTube TV Help community forums. Sometimes, other users have experienced similar issues and have found solutions. You might find your answer there without even having to contact support directly. So to recap, the best way to speak to a person at YouTube TV is generally through their online chat feature. Look for the Contact Us option within the Help Center. Be polite, patient, and provide as much detail as possible. And if necessary, ask if your issue can be escalated to phone support. Hopefully, this has given you a clearer understanding of how to connect with a real person at YouTube TV. Remember, patience and clear communication are key to getting your issue resolved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful streaming tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one.